Hao, which means good morning in Chinese. Welcome to the city of Taipei. Just getting ready.
Okay, you can call me Flores.
你好吗?
苏先生你好。
This is the night market. Here we are at the Taiwan gift shop. Hello, good morning, Prism mates. How are you all doing? It's 3:29 here in Manila, and as you have noticed, I didn't get enough sleep, to be honest. As you have noticed, we just got off here in the hotel room, and we just check out here from the hotel because in just a short while we'll be going to the airport, have some check-in and immigration and stuff, and afterwards we'll be boarding up from Manila to Taiwan. So let's get this thing started. And here we go, Prism mates. Hao, which means good morning in Chinese. Welcome to the city of Taipei. Alright, we just got our bags already. Also, I would like to shout out to Prism mates from Taipei. Well, we just have to look for the tour guide and then we're all set. Now we just met the tour guide, so let the city tour in Taipei City begin. Just get the first look. This is the tour guide here. Oh, it's cold. It's real cold. Okay, I'm already here on the bus. Just getting ready. Bye-bye, airport.
Florence, you can call me Flo. See, very dangerous in the bus, okay? So you have to, okay, you can call me Florence. And I will take picture of this. And also the bus number. And we have Mr. Shu, our driver with us. So, Kamastaka, when you are in Rome, you do the Romans do. You speak, you in Taiwan, you learn Taiwanese. Okay, here we speak, most of the people, 70% Taiwanese. Okay, and 15% Chinese. Okay, Han Chinese from China. So the major language here speak Chinese, Mandarin, and Taiwanese. Okay, let's say, how are you? Kamatsuka to our driver. Li hao.
Ni hao
Okay,
ma.
I count 1, 2, 3, and everybody say to Mr. Su, Li hao. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
你好吗？
Su 先生你好。Or in Mandarin, 你好, 你好. Okay, where is our driver?
Mr.
Mr. Su, you know, I had a girl from the Philippines. From the Philippines, and one girl, one Filipino. Okay, she got up from the back door. She got on from back door. She got off from back door, and a few days later, she told me, Flo, your country, marvelous. Why? Because your bus is autonomous, no driver. So that's the reason why I asked you to get on the bus from the front door.
There you go, time for lunch. Right, Prismates, it's time for lunch here at Chuan Men Tz restaurant, which is that trendy Sichuan cuisine. I don't know how to pronounce that, but visually, as you can see here, it's just like the wedding. And just as what the tour guider mentioned a while ago, that they can even eat here also for special occasions, especially wedding. And as you can see there, oh, isn't this beautiful? Really a nice setting here. Look at the tables. There you go. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I even have milk tea, and I have no idea what is this. And check out the setting, it's really good. Prismates, so we're done with lunch, and let's continue with this tour. Before this, I'm going to introduce you. This is Ella, our Filipino leader. Our driver, Mr. Su. And this is our tour guide, Miss Florence.
Yes.
Here we are at the factory. Just gonna show you around. These are the pineapple cakes. And we're going to start to have a tour of the factory, so see you guys later.
And you can see the front one, you will connect Wi-Fi to the airport. The night booking will pack out to say hello. Okay. Everybody's moving, let's start step. We will see a video, okay? Go closer. Okay. Okay. And
Hello there.
okay, everybody. Please, everyone get one tissue paper. Okay, everyone get one tissue paper. Okay, please. Okay, need time for closer. Okay, let's move it. Okay. Later, we will have a test later. Okay. Okay, and everybody, if you done your pineapple already, please, we have a trash can here. You can drop it.
Very cute merchies here. We got the souvenirs as well, aside from that.
And remember, I want you to our and if you ever visit our trash can center,
360 on 720.
Gadi, yan sila ani dyan.
Alright, we are here at the Simon Valley.
This is the green supper. And don't forget to go in front of the gift shop. There is a PayPal store. Okay, go and see. Demure kayo? Gani. Wala nga ay.
This is the hotel that we're going to be staying during our stay here in Taiwan. Come to my room. It's actually raining here.
The night market. Do not eat. We do not eat drinks made of powder. No, no, no. This is McKay. McKay Hospital, very famous.
This is the night market. Here we are at the Taiwan gift shop. This is where you can buy souvenirs. So Prismates, here we are at the night market. If you have seen my previous travel vlogs video in Korea, we went to Myeongdong. Street food. Oh, I think this is just like pancit in here. Sweet and sour. Then, oh, lobster with cheese. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be expensive. And wow, whoa, this is getting popular. But now this is just like Myeongdong here in Taiwan. So Prismates, thank you so much for watching on this video. Day 1 here in Taipei. Once again, I'm Gushen. Thank you for watching and see you again. Good night.